So you've heard about TikTok Shop and how big of an opportunity selling on it is, but how do you actually sell products and how can you actually get results? So there's a few ways that you can sell your products through TikTok Shop. The first is affiliate marketing. So you can reach out to affiliates and then have them sell products for you. There is an entire affiliates tab in the TikTok Shop backend where you can browse and contact different affiliates. By making your products available for affiliates to find and promote, you then allow people within your niche with established audiences and pages already to sell your products for you. They'll then create the videos and you earn slightly less on each sale because they'll get a commission and a portion of the profit. Now, obviously, the more incentive that you give these affiliates, the more they'll want to promote your products and make videos. Those incentives come in the form of higher commissions, products that are already selling well, because that indicates that the affiliate will obviously get sales too by promoting them, free samples, and even paid promos if you want to go that route. So keep all those things in mind when trying to get affiliates, because just a few good affiliates can be the difference between just a few sales and quite literally hundreds or thousands without any extra work on your end. Now, TikTok handles all the calculations and payouts automatically too, so you don't need to worry about it. It is a win-win situation where they monetize their audience and you get free sales without extra work. The second method is live streaming. So selling via live streaming is another effective method. While it's not my personal preference, it can be highly effective, and people that are doing this are absolutely crushing it because they're pushing live streaming really heavily right now. And this can help you gain followers, get more visibility for your shop, and sell products quickly. Plus, you don't need to be a master salesman to have success here. Just going live, showcasing the product and talking about its benefits, its features, the specific problem that it solves is enough to get sales right now. It is wild. And probably the most notable way would be product videos. So creating videos to sell your products is another method that I use alongside affiliate marketing. Regardless whether you're using affiliates already or not, you should still be perfecting your own page's product videos to sell your product. Whether you're doing this yourself or you outsource it to a UGC creator or an app like Join Brands or a company to do it for you, you need to be doing this too. Not because affiliates alone can't drive sales for you, they certainly can, but because any video can go viral at any point, and you should also be taking some swings at the plate yourself. Not to mention, you'll get better and better with each video as you learn what works and what doesn't when speaking to and making videos for your specific target market. And I did an entire video on all the different ways that you can make videos to sell products on TikTok Shop. If you're strapped for ideas or you just want some direction, you can check that out. I'll drop that link at the bottom of the description. But one of the best ways to make videos in the beginning when testing products to find winners is by using Creatify AI. Creatify AI is an amazing AI software that I've been using for a while now to create high quality videos in literal seconds. And you can make videos that look great, complete with transitions, voiceovers, captions, you name it, faster than you could record a video and edit it and upload it yourself. Not only that, their AI will write winning scripts for you as well. Seriously, I challenge you to test it out. It will blow you away, but it'll also read your script aloud in the video and it sounds exactly like a human. But that's just the tip of the iceberg, and you can make dozens of videos super fast and upload them to TikTok just using this software the same exact day that you actually pick your product without ever needing to order it to you first or ever needing that actual product on hand for you to make the video. It uses a combination of pictures and videos on the listing to make the video for you, or you can also just upload your own videos and it will pull the best parts of them as B-roll, which it will then overlay on top of your new script and your new voiceover, automatically making you a brand new high quality video that showcases your product in seconds. I've done so many tutorials showcasing the power of this software on this channel, and for good reason. It is amazing, and I still use this to test products in the beginning when I'm trying to find out if I should invest more time and more effort into a specific product or not. So if you want to try Creatify AI, you can do so for free through the first link in the description. I can't recommend it enough for testing products with as little time and as little effort as possible spent in the beginning. Now, one more way that's actually important to consider consider is the shop tab on your profile page. So viewers can actually visit the shop section of your profile to see all your available products in your shop. This feature is the second tab on that profile page that looks like a little shopping bag. Although most sales come from actual product videos or affiliates, having a shop section is an added bonus too. This probably isn't going to bring you a ton of sales in the beginning when you're just starting, but as you build more of a brand and you start to build a name for yourself in that specific niche, customers will check this out more and more. And if you're making your current customers happy that are most likely following your page, this could certainly lead to repeat customers and new sales from previous customers that already had a good experience. Ultimately though, TikTok simplifies the purchasing process, making it convenient and enticing for potential customers to actually make purchases. And this year has been proof of that. So hopefully these strategies get you some traction if you haven't gotten it already. There's tons of sales to be made out there with the right products and the right videos, and it's not as tough or as complicated as you think if you're willing to put in some work.